Melted dark chocolate 200 grams, half cup of butter. Yay! Thank you. Melt. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use this only. Thoda kam haan. So let's say half and 1/4. 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Salt. Half cup of maida. That is all-purpose flour. All this is chutney. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. That seems right. Yep. So 1 cup of chocolate, melted chocolate. How pretty does it look? Yummy. Now I'll put some chocolate chunks. Ooh. Butter your baking pan and put your melted chocolate